This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, so let's unbox it. Today we have everything Pop Mart with the exception of this little guy. This is not from Pop Mart. This is Smiski. I believe Miniso kind of, I don't know if Miniso exclusively sells him or what. I don't know, but he's the only one that is not a Pop Mart box, but I'm excited. We have this, we have like a Labubu guy. This is the Monsters, the MAK collection. These, I like them because it kind of reminded me of Alien a little bit, and I was like, okay. We have Duckoo Music Festival blind box. We have some Dimoo blind boxes because he's just so cute. He's like a little boy with a cloud on top of his head and it smiles and he looks sad. The cloud looks happy. It makes me happy. And then we have this, which I'm excited about. I love me that fat little bastard Pucky. I really do. And so I wound up picking up 2 of these Forest Party plush pendants. So listen, my latest obsession is blind boxes. I've been loving them. And I've just been decorating the shit out of my office, fully knowing that I have to move in a few months. I'm still buying a lot of little shit so that I can curse myself out later when I realize that these are going to be so annoying to pack. Okay? So without further ado, before we jump into Pop Mart, let's open these guys. And these are so cute. The reason why I wanted this one so badly is one, I just kept seeing on TikTok this little guy, Smiski, and I just thought he was really cute. It's just like this little green guy and like a green blob. It's just like a green blob. And I like this one in particular because it's supposed to be like a work edition. And I thought it was really funny if I get that for myself because I work from home and I have a boring 9-to-5 job. And I thought, you know, nothing's more fun than looking at basically something that I'm doing in this little guy. So anyway, here are the little variations. Honestly, I would be happy with, what would I be happy with? I think I would be happy with either the laptop, the one in the middle, or the one that's pointing to something like presenting. I think I kind of love that one. It just reminds me how much I don't like to present at all. Like I really hate it. I get nervous, which is funny because you don't think that would be true, but I do. And since something kind of like washes over me and I black out and I'm able to present, it's weird because then I come back to life and I'm like, oh God, like I feel just emotionally drained. But yeah, I'm told that I'm actually pretty entertaining when I'm presenting. I don't believe it, but I love compliments. So anyway, we got 2 of these guys. Let's see what we got. Let's open it up. Doesn't appear to have a card, which is good. So I will not get it ruined for me. Oh, what are you called? Are you like in a little idea? He has a little idea. He has a little light bulb on his head. And I think nothing gets me more annoyed is when we have like breakout sessions, right? Doesn't happen often, but sometimes it does. Especially if you're in like a Zoom or a Microsoft Teams setting, you get chosen at random. Very, very scary. And then you're with a group of people and then like you kind of have to talk about like ideas and stuff. Nothing is more stressful than having to just, oh God, pitch ideas to people who look like they want to themselves. Oh God. So seeing this reminds me of that and I kind of fucking love it and I wish I got the whole set. If I ever see these out in the wild, I will definitely buy more of them. There are different like variations of this dude. There's ones where he's going to the bathroom. Not for me, but hey, not gonna kink shame here. But the work ones spoke to me. Yes, bitch! Okay. I got the one where he's presenting. Oh my God. Oh my God, yes. So I think, there we go. Oh, that's the one. That's the one I wanted. Look how funny. Oh, I love him. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's so good. Oh my God. So far, we're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. I didn't think I would like him like as much as this, but he just unlocks a lot of horrible for me and I love that. Oh, it's so good. Okay. We're doing good. We're doing good. And I lied. They do have cards. Well, actually, they don't have cards. Oh, okay. They actually have like a little pamphlet. And so Your choices was approving. Smiski praises your work from the corner. He is good at complimenting everything. Oh, I kind of wish I got that one. Smiski researching. Is searching for something on his computer. He has trouble hitting the keys. Presenting. He likes to explain to the group, but he's always nervous. Bitch, that's me! Oh, good idea. Smiski's inspired. The light bulb means he has a good idea. Oh, I got like good ones. Oh, that's fun. On the road, he pretends to be an executive, although he's often late. Oh, that's really cute. And then you have the group think. Oh, that would have been fun too. Smiski are deliberating in a meeting and they think that 3 heads are better than 1. Oh, that's really cute. Yeah, I gotta fucking try to find these again. These were really fun. And for my babies that like work in an office, I feel like this is just like the one desk toy I think we should all collectively have. So try to find these. Pretty fun. Okay, what do I want to start with first? I'm not gonna lie, I want to start with Pucky because I want to open him so badly. Oh my god, I love Pucky, but I think we're gonna hold off. We're gonna hold Pucky to the end because I'm like foaming at the mouth for that one. So let's take a beat. Let's open up Duckoo. I don't have any Duckoos, so he just looks like he is just kind of a sassy duck that is just really not liking anything. But I like this one because I thought the different variations were really cute, and honestly, I would be happy to have any of them. But if I had to choose, I think I want, I kind of like the EDM one. Actually, no, I want the rock one because I like that he has a sweet mustache. It's very Freddie Mercury and I'm kind of into it. So here's hoping, although we are shaking stuff. Hip hop duck would be kind of cute too. The secret would be nice. Looks like it's just him playing on a drum kit. So let's see what we got. Oh, I think it got ruined for me. I think it's the pop one, which is actually kind of funny because I don't know why I think of Lou Bega, Mambo No. 5. It's kind of giving me that vibe. I'm not mad at it, but like, it's kind of funny. Oh no, it's Michael Jackson. I'm sorry. To be fair, bitch, okay, to be fair, the box kind of looks like Lou Bega, but now seeing him, it is like a little tiny king of pop. I'm not mad at this. I think it's actually pretty fucking cute and very, very silly. And I kind of love it. I mean, I wish I got Freddie Mercury. That would have been great, but beggars can't be choosers. And that's what happens in the pop universe, okay? He doesn't really sit on the plate all that well, but he's supposed to have like a little microphone stand. I gotta like let Alex do this because it's kind of a pain in the ass to do, but Michael Jackson's cute. We're gonna put you on the side there. All right. Oh, that is really funny. Oh, you can move his head. Okay, so wait a second. Why am I not doing this correctly? There you go. I did it. I didn't need a man's help. That's actually pretty cute. I would get another one of these because I really want Freddie Mercury. Okay. Listen, we're having a good day. We're having a good little pop day. This is fun. Okay. Before I go into the Dimoos, let's open up these. So these little monster guys. Honestly, I would be happy with anybody. The Secret, I'm not really interested in. The Secret are like these 2 little guys down here, like they're engineers. Fine. But I kind of love all of them. I kind of like the clown one. I would also be totally okay with like these ones down here. I don't know. Like they're all pretty cute. So let's see. Oh, yay! First of all, I love me a green. I really do. That is super cute. Who are you? You are, I don't even, oh, you're, oh, okay. You're this guy. You're down here. Bryophytes? I think it's bryophytes. So let's see. You have a little shield. Oh, that's fun. This is what it looks like. It really just, it reminds me of Alien. It reminds me of Alien, and I love that. Okay. That's pretty good. Very happy about that. They're big. They're heavy though. Ooh, I really want that clown one. Actually, it's not even a clown. It's a snowman. Give me that snowman. Give me that snowman. Do not give me a duplicate. For the love of God, please don't give me a duplicate. You fucking mother. We got a duplicate. We got a duplicate. Fuck. All right. We were having a good day, but I'm gonna have to give this a good home. It's still very, very cute though. Like, it's cute, but like, come on, bitch. But that's what happens though. That's what happens when you gamble, okay? Sometimes you don't win them all. Sometimes you don't win them all. Let's move on to some Dimoo. So I have 2 different kinds of Dimoo. I have Jurassic World, and then I have the Dimoo World Disney, which the World Disney looks so cute. Oh, Okay. I love Chippendale, so I think I kind of want the Chippendale dream, but totally be okay with the Donald Duck popcorn, or even the Scrooge bathtub, the Three Nephews, the other Chippendale, classic Mickey, Pluto's house. Like, I like them all. Even Goofy's prank, Mickey's TV show. Like, they're all so cute. I just don't want to duplicate. Don't screw me. Dimoo, don't with me today, Dimoo. Don't be a bitch, Dimoo. Oh, the bag is cute as oh, he is so sweet, this little bitch. Oh, this is cute. This is the Mickey TV show. Oh my God, this little bastard. He is so cute. He is so sweet. He does come with a little stand and a TV. Let me put that together. Oh, this bit. Oh, hold on. Scared the shit out of me. That is so cute. It's really, 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 really nicely made. I love that little pink cloud. Oh my God. You're so sweet. Please, for the love of everything, please don't be a duplicate. Don't with me like that, Dimoo, please. I really, 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 really want a Chippendale. Give me Chippendale. I don't care which Chippendale. I just want either one. You know, I'm not mad at it. Like, she's cute. Oh, she's cute. Oh, look at Daisy. Look at this bitch. Ooh, she comes with a gift. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, is it just like something that like she just has on the side of her? Or do you just like, you put it right in the middle there? Okay, well, the picture makes it look like it's right in the middle of her feet. Can you even move her feet? No. So I guess you just kind of have to like just sit it in front of her. But like, how sweet is she? Oh my God, I can't. I can't. A little gift. Oh my God, I love you. Very happy I didn't get a duplicate. Very sad that I didn't get the Chippendale. Oh my God, that would have been so cute, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Life is good. Okay, now let's move on to Jurassic World. Is Jurassic World my favorite? No, it's not. I like Jurassic Park better, but it's okay though, because look at these little variations. Honestly, all of them are super cute. Like, I just love them all. I really would love the Jurassic guide. I just think he's so funny. The dinosaur egg researcher is great. The hug a dinosaur. Oh my, honestly, anything. But I do like that Jurassic guide. I don't know, there's just something about him that is just so funny and so cute, and I'm on board. Oh, this is, oh, for a second I was like, does this not have a pull tab? Oh, but it does, it does. Good vibes, good vibes. There's extra pieces. Try not to look at it. Hi, you're going to notice that the white balance is a little bit off for this whole video. And I probably should have said something like earlier, but like I'm up to the part where it's like really bad. I've been trying like for the past half an hour to try to fix it. There's no fixing this shit. And I didn't notice it because I was too busy staring at cute toys. Anyway, thank God my hair is not that white, so we don't have to deal with that. But I have filmed a lot of videos with that hair, I think, that I still haven't edited yet. So just a heads up, that's probably what's going to happen. Fuck me. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of put my 2 cents in there. And plus, like, this is me in my full element looking gross. And I hope you enjoy it. What are you? Oh, I think you're the researcher. Bitch. Okay. Oh, I think you are. Yeah, you're the dinosaur egg researcher. Ah! All right, hold on. It's like a little scene. I got to set it up. Oh my God. Stop it. Shut the First of all, shut up. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. That's adorable. That's number 1. Oh my God. Stop it. Oh, and the little cloud has glasses. Get the out of here. He has a little magnifying glass. He has like a little report notebook thing. This is super cute. Oh my God. I can't. I can't. How are you this cute? Like, how is that possible? How is that possible? How is that possible? Okay. Let's hope for the Jurassic guide. Give me the Jurassic guide. I really want that one. It's so cute. You fucking motherfucker. And this is what happens. This is what happens sometimes with blind boxes. You get a second one and you don't want it. It's gonna get a good home. Okay, 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 okay. There was just 2. There were just 2 that just f***ed us. Piece of shit. All right, I need to actually get more of these, but maybe out in the wild. I gotta try to find it because I really want that Jurassic guide. I don't know why. He's speaking to me. Can I tell you, my body is so excited for these, and I will be heartbroken if I get duplicates. I will be heartbroken. So I love Pucky. Pucky's adorable. He's a fat little baby that just looks always sad and upset. Here are all the different variations. I would be happy to get, I want the secret, obviously. Who doesn't want the secret? I really don't want the butterfly. I'm not a butterfly baby, so I kind of don't want that one. I like the mushroom baby. I actually even like the tree baby. That's like a Christmas one. Birdie baby is really cute. Leaf baby is really cute. It's just the flower and the butterfly one are probably like my least favorite, honestly. Here's hoping. Come on, blind box gods. Don't with me now, okay? Oh, you dumb bitch. I love you. Look how cute he is. Oh, bitch. This is gonna be my Christmas. Watch by Christmas. I'm not into this. No, I will never not be into this. Okay, these are my pride and joy. No, but look how cute though. I swear to God, Pucky just doesn't disappoint. He just always looks so displeased at life. And I'm here for it. Okay, now we got the one that we wanted. I kind of want Birdie Baby or the secret. Birdie Baby is pretty cute. I really want that secret. Of course, my chances are 1 out of 72. Here's hoping, baby. Here's hoping. Shut up! I'm so glad that I played the lottery today. Because, bitch, you bitch got the secret. Oh my gosh, shut the... Look how fucking precious the secret is, okay? Look, it has its little tail. Oh my God, you are so good. Wait, what are you? I don't even know what the f you are. Oh, you're a unicorn baby? I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna start crying in a second. I've never been so excited. Oh, you are so cute. I cannot believe I got the secret. I cannot believe I got the secret. I don't even have any children to pass this down to. But I do have a lot of nieces though, so. No, I can't let them have this. Those grubby little hands. I'm gonna have to like write it in my will, like you're allowed to receive these when you are 25. Like, you want my money? You better be taking good care of my babies. Oh my God, I love these. That was satisfying. You know what? Today is satisfying. Yeah, okay, we pulled 2 duplicates, but overall, got a secret. Got a secret. Like how, that's rare. That's rare. So I feel good about this. Oh, this is so good. I'm so happy. Happy today. Anyway, I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below. Are you into blind boxes? If so, what kind of blind boxes are you opening? Let me know. Share some blind boxes. I'm always looking for new shit to open. And like, oh my God, look how sweet you are. You are so I can't even talk right now. Oh my God, I love you. Okay, but anyway, let me know what you're opening and share the love. I don't know, I'm sending you all the good vibes as you're opening your stuff, and you send me the good vibes as I open my stuff. It's a two-way street of good vibes, baby. I don't know what the fuck am I saying? I feel like I'm drunk right now. Anyway, I'm happy. But I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat and just enjoying my very existence. I love you. And I will see you little trash bags later. Bye.